the marinated pork tenderloin. Hot pan, a little extra virgin olive oil. Notice the olive oil is slightly smoking. That's what you're looking for. Nice heat. Pork tenderloin goes in. Just a couple pieces. You don't want to overcrowd the pan. Let it brown, flip it over. Okay, after a few seconds, you flip it over. Look at that nice color. That's what you're looking for. After we get it brown on both sides, we're going to reduce the heat and put this in the oven. Deglazing with a little bit of brandy. Yeah. That's looking good. Okay, the sauce is a quick pan reduction. We've got a little bit of the brandy, some shallots, some garlic, some herbs in there, a little chicken stock. Whisk it together, and then of course the slurry of cornstarch. It's equal parts of cornstarch and water. Mix together, put it in, and within just 5 or 10 seconds that will come together and thicken. And you can see it makes a nice sauce. And a nice sauce, as you know, should coat the back of a spoon. If you don't know what I'm talking about, well, here you go. Check it out. That's a nice sauce. Here you go, here's a spoon. Coats the back of the spoon. Ah, the finished pork. This is one of our presentations here. We're going to put a little sauce right over it and serve it. There you go. One more plate here, the roast pork. One more finished plate here, the marinated roast pork tenderloin. Oh, and 2 more butchering items that are very essential, cleavers. It's recommended you get a nice heavy cleaver. This one's okay, and the quality's okay. You'll find it to be good for limited uses. Eventually you may end up nicking the blade or something, but that's okay. It's decent for the price. This cleaver is super high quality, made in Japan, very heavy duty. I think this will last you for a lifetime. So depends what you're looking for as to which cleaver you might score. But anyway, when you're butchering, you gotta have yourself a good cleaver.